First, you're gonna film your morning routine. You can film it on the weekend so you can add random things to make your life seem more interesting. Now for filming your commute, you should leave twice as early. This is to account for the time spent retrieving your camera. Once you reach the office, make sure you film all the cool office spaces you've never used. This corporate propaganda is great for baiting high school and college graduates into a computer science career. Now you're gonna want to film yourself actually doing your job. It's important not to show any of the god-awful code base you've been working on, since most of that is confidential. I recommend setting up the camera here and capturing a video of before and after your work session. Now that you've clocked out, it's time to head to the gym. Don't worry if you don't go regularly. You'll just be filming some footage for the sake of the video. Bonus points if you pick up a weight at any point. Now that you're home, you're pretty much free to film whatever you want that has nothing to do with your career. Edit your video and post it to your social media. After a few hours, you'll have anywhere from 1 to 5 million followers. Now you can start working on your crypto coin or LeetCode course.